Hello and welcome to this week's Just a Tip. My name is Corey from Meat and Potatoes Organizing here in Minnesota and beyond. Today I want to talk to you about this awesome little packet, Clean Out Your Closet from ThredUp in the Container Store. You can go to your local Container Store and pick up some of these packets, and these are so much fun. So if you are going to declutter your wardrobe or your kids' wardrobes or your spouse's wardrobe, there is a large bag in here, and what you do is anything you're going to donate, you put it in the large bag and you send it away. It's free shipping. I think you do a pickup or I can't remember. I think, yep, it's a USPS pickup when I did it last. And it's great. They get this sent in to ThredUp and they will send you a gift card to the Container Store. It's seriously so fun. And then you got rid of stuff that you no longer needed. It's going to be repurposed, reused, recycled, or resold. And C, you get a gift card to one of the most fun places on the planet, the Container Store. So anyway, that's my tip of the week. Get to your Container Store, get one of these ThredUp packets, go through your wardrobe, and have a little fun shopping afterwards. Yeah, let me know if you end up doing it in the comments. I'd be excited to hear how it goes for you. It's gone pretty well for us in the past. I've done it quite a few times and I've had a few clients do it too, and they had a great time doing it. So yeah, happy to help out and give you that awesome tip. All right, we'll see you next week for another Just the Tip.